How to set expiration for audio message in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and click on messages. And scroll down, and here you can see the option expire. Now click on it. Now here you can see two options, after 2 minutes and never. If you select after 2 minutes, your audio message will be automatically removed in conversation after 2 minutes, and if you select never, your audio message will never be deleted in your conversation. So this is the way to set expiration for audio message in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.